Okay, we're going to be installing a door closer in this door. We're using a Norton 1601 actually. Okay. Let's get this stuff out. We're not going to be using this. This is used with parallel arm. We're installing a standard installation. Let's get the screws out. Obviously not going to use all the screws. Okay, first thing is to measure. We have to make a mark. Our first mark would be about 3.5 inches from the hinge, so it's about my fist. So this mark right here. Right there. It's about 3.5 inches. Now we're going to take this. We'll make our mark. Okay, right here. Make sure you keep it as straight as possible. Let's make marks 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, got that? All right. Good. Now to make the holes, we're going to use the self-tapping drilling screws that comes with the lock. I'm just going to make a hole so it's going to be easier to install. And it's a hollow door. If you have a wood door, you have to drill a hole first. You're going to be drilling 3/8. No. 3/16. You have to drill a 3/16 hole for the wood. Otherwise, since I'm using self-tapping screw like that, it's going to damage the wood and it's not going to stay good. But if you drill a hole, you can use this screw, or you can use a drywall screw if you wish. Okay, there's 2 holes, and then we're going to mark this hole. You can more or less align this hole and this hole on the top, like about here or so, and make your mark. 1 and 2. Okay, we got the mark. Let's do the same thing. Let's change the screw. The screw is already used too many times. Okay, that's it. We have it all ready. Now let's attach this. Okay, see, whatever you do, the hinge, this goes to the hinge side. See, this side and this side. This side goes to the hinge side. Very important. If you put it the wrong way, it's not going to work, obviously. So let's attach this first. It's about 90 degrees. Come on, where's the screw? Oh, here it is. This. Okay. Yeah, I would put it about so, and then tighten it. Good. Now we're ready to install it. Good. Yeah, missing the screw. Okay. Good. Let's try it. Okay, it's good, but I'm going to make it a little bit. We're going to increase the tension of the spring, not the speed, but how strong the spring is. To do this is right here. This is the. Okay, you turn it as much as you want. It's set to number 3, and it goes up to 6. That's how strong the spring is. How do you know where it's 3 and 1 is 6? You don't. Just try to. Okay. That's it. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, pretty good. You can slow it down. You have a S and an L. You can't see it, but it says S here and L over here. L is a latch speed. I'll show you. I'm going to loosen it. It's going to slam very hard. Just to show you. Okay, let's see what happens when we. Okay, actually it's not so bad here. And the S is the closing speed. If I slow it down, you'll see the door is going to be a little bit slower. Okay, basically that's it. You want to see how much pressure you need to put to open the door. You have a special tool that tells me how much pressure. Let's see. To figure out the pressure, we're going to let the door close almost till the end. Almost. And then, how much power do we need to push the door open? Put it all the way to the edge and push the door. Okay. And it says here that is about 12.5, which is normal. Up to, you see, this is normal, between 10 and 20. 20 is pretty hard. 15, so 12.5 is perfect. Okay, basically that's it. The door closes, everything is good. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Let's just put the final touch. See this cap, so it looks nicer.